Let's face it, folks, stains happen. We've all been there. A spilled glass of juice, a rusty tool left out in the rain, a rogue sticker that left its mark. It's enough to make you want to tear your hair out. But fear not, my friends. I'm here to tell you that a clean house is within your reach. With a little elbow grease and some common household items, you can conquer those stubborn stains and have your surfaces sparkling in no time. We're going to tackle 3 common culprits: watermarks, rust, and sticky residue. I'll give you the lowdown on each one, why they happen, and most importantly, how to get rid of them. We'll keep it simple, practical, and dare I say, even a little fun. After all, who says cleaning can't be enjoyable? Watermarks. They're sneaky little devils, aren't they? One minute your countertop is pristine, the next, it's covered in a hazy film of dried water droplets. The culprit? Hard water. It's packed with minerals that leave behind a residue as the water evaporates. But don't despair. White vinegar is your new best friend. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle, spritz it on the affected area, and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, wipe it away with a clean cloth, and voila! Watermarks vanquished. For tougher stains, try a paste of baking soda and water. Apply it to the stain, let it dry, then wipe it off with a damp cloth. Rust. The unsightly result of metal and moisture getting a little too friendly. It can make your tools look like they've seen better days and leave stubborn stains on your surfaces. But don't throw in the towel just yet. For light rust stains, try a simple lemon juice and salt scrub. Sprinkle salt on the stain, squeeze some lemon juice over it, and let it sit for a few hours. Then, scrub with a stiff brush and rinse. For heavier rust, you'll need a heavy-hitter white vinegar. Soak a cloth in vinegar, wrap it around the rusty object, and let it sit overnight. The vinegar will dissolve the rust, making it easy to wipe away. We've all been there, peeling off a price tag only to find a gooey residue that refuses to budge. Or maybe your little one decided to redecorate the floor with chewing gum. Sticky messes are a pain, but luckily, they're no match for a few simple tricks. One of the best weapons in your arsenal? Heat. Grab your hairdryer and aim it at the sticky spot for a few seconds. The heat will soften the adhesive, making it easier to peel off. For stubborn residue, try using a bit of cooking oil. Apply a small amount to the area, let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe it away with a clean cloth. Now that you know how to tackle those pesky stains, let's talk about prevention. After all, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, right? When it comes to watermarks, the key is to dry surfaces thoroughly after cleaning or use. Keep a microfiber cloth handy to wipe away any water droplets before they have a chance to dry and leave their mark. To prevent rust, store your tools in a dry place and apply a light coat of oil to metal surfaces. And for those sticky situations, be mindful of where you place stickers and keep chewing gum safely stored away. There you have it, folks. Conquering stains doesn't have to be a Herculean task. With a few simple tricks and some common household items, you can keep your home sparkling clean and stain-free. So go forth, embrace the clean, and remember, a little elbow grease goes a long way.